In this video, I will show you how to add your Tremendous card to Apple Wallet. So if you want to use, for example, your digital Tremendous card in person, then you may want to add it to your Apple Wallet, and here's how you can do that. So just go and open up the Wallet app on your iPhone and click on plus in the top right. From there, go and select debit or credit card, and now here you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and just click add a different card. Now from there, click continue. And then here, if it's a physical card, you can hold your card near to your iPhone and then it will read the chip. Now, if it is not a physical card, then you can just click on enter card details manually in the bottom. And then from there, you can then enter your name as well as your card number. So if you have a Visa card, whether it's physical or digital, you will get, I think, a 16-digit card number. Simply enter that right here. And then once you click next, enter the expiry date as well as the security code for your Visa gift card, and then click next. And now it will be contacting the card issuer, and if everything checks out, then it will be added to your Apple Wallet. So now you know how to add a Tremendous card to your Apple Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.